At the beginning of this work, I showed you this same warehouse. And look at it now. Look at the sweet work that has been done on the floor. The GZ keep on representing. Epoxy floor, 2,800 square meters is ready. This area was done 2 days ago. No, let me see, like 4 days ago. They started using it all as a place. This was completed 2 days ago. Yes.
For GZ Industrial Supply.
Yes, for your wonderful finish.
Lagos, anyway, call us. We are ready to answer you.
To deliver nationwide and out of Nigeria. Yes.
Call us. You can call us, you get us, and we deliver to you.
Yes.
Soon is believing.
Yes. So in GZ we don't play. We don't play. We don't play. You don't play.